ready to unlock lightning-fast and cheaper crypto transactions. Today, we're diving into the seamless integration of Base, the Ethereum layer to network, with your Coinbase wallet. First, make sure you have the latest version of Coinbase Wallet installed on your device. Open the app, and let's get started connecting to Base. Tap the settings icon. It usually looks like a gear. Scroll down until you find the network settings. Here's where the magic begins. You should see Base listed as one of the available networks. If not, you might need to add it manually using the network details provided on the official Base website. Now, to move your crypto to Base, you'll need to bridge your assets. Go back to the main screen in your Coinbase wallet and tap on the bridge icon. Select Ethereum mainnet as your source and Base as your destination. Choose the asset you want to transfer, like ETH, and enter the amount. Remember, there might be a small fee associated with bridging. Review the details carefully before confirming the transaction. Once your assets are on Base, you can explore a whole new world of dApps. Navigate to the browser tab in your wallet and start interacting with DeFi protocols, NFT marketplaces, and more. All with significantly lower gas fees. Always double-check the transaction details before confirming anything. This is crucial for avoiding errors and keeping your assets safe. Bridging can take a few minutes, so be patient. Congratulations! You've successfully bridged your assets to Base and are ready to explore the exciting possibilities of Layer. To have fun, trade wisely, and welcome to the future of Ethereum.